Today, we're going to learn about how to divide multisyllabic words with open syllables. Before we learn about these new rules for syllable division, we need to review.
A syllable is a part of a word that can be pushed out in one breath.
When you say a multisyllabic word, your mouth opens for each syllable.
Closed syllables have only one vowel. This vowel is closed in by a consonant, which makes the vowel say the short sound.
The vowel consonant E syllable has a vowel followed by a consonant and then an E. The first vowel is long because the E at the end makes it say its name. The E at the end is silent. Open syllables have a long vowel at the end of the syllable. Let's practice the long vowel sounds. There are some new key words to help us remember open syllable vowel sounds. A, acorn, A. E, me, E. I, hi, I. O, no, O. U, pupil, U. U, flew, oo. We have previously learned multiple rules for how to divide multisyllabic words with different syllable types. When one consonant is between two vowels, the consonant might close in the first syllable or it might go with the second syllable, leaving the first syllable open. When there are two consonants between the two vowels, sometimes a blend stays together in the second syllable, leaving the first syllable open, especially when the first syllable is a prefix. When there are two consonants between the two vowels, sometimes you divide between the two consonants, making the first syllable closed. Remember not to split the digraph. If there are three consonants between vowels without a digraph, keep the blend together. If a blend can be made in both directions, almost always the blend goes with the second syllable. When there are four consonants together, the blend will split between them. Keep welded sounds, digraphs, and blends together. Many words are made with open syllables. Sometimes an open syllable is combined with a closed syllable. Sometimes an open syllable is combined with a vowel consonant E syllable. We'll have to practice our flexible thinking when we divide multisyllabic words that may have an open syllable. Now that we have reviewed, you are ready to learn. Today, we're going to learn some new rules to consider when dividing multisyllabic words that may have an open syllable. In this multisyllabic word, there is a vowel at the end that is not an E. What? We have never worked with words that end in vowels other than E before. There is a new rule that says open syllables can be the last syllable in a word. We use our previous rule and divide between the two consonants between the vowels. The first syllable is closed because it ends in a consonant, and the second syllable is open because it ends in an O. Limbo, limbo. Let's look at some examples. In this multisyllabic word, there is a vowel at the end that is not an E. Bronco, bronco. There is a new rule that says open syllables can be the last syllable in a word. Before we finish, we need to review. Here is a new word. We can see that the end of the word is a vowel consonant E syllable. But what about the first syllable? The first syllable ends in a Y. The Y is the vowel in this first syllable. We have already practiced with one-syllable words that end in Y, so we know the first syllable is open. There is a new rule that if a Y ends the first syllable in a word, it says I. Skyline. Skyline. Let's look at some examples. Here is a new word. Bypass. There is a new rule that if a Y ends the first syllable in a word, it says I. Before we finish, we need to review. Open syllables have a long vowel at the end of the syllable. There is a new rule that says open syllables can be the last syllable in a word. There is a new rule that if a Y ends the first syllable in a word, it says I. Now you are ready to practice dividing multisyllabic words with open syllables.